Hey there, welcome to another video. This video I'll be showing you how to clear up space. Please subscribe, like and comment. Let's get it. I basically started this video with this 40.9 MB. Yeah, this device has 16 GB. I started with 40.9. Actually I had to first clear out some so that I could record this video. Yeah, so you just basically open device and maintenance, storage, storage settings, loading. So let's start with movie and TV apps. Yeah, so you just select it and you see right here. Yeah, you just clear the cache. It's just cache that it's useless. They don't open anything. YouTube is the one which in most cases has a lot of cache data. So yeah, just keep checking on it and you clear that. Yeah, just like that. So our next category is other apps. Here it's Chrome. Chrome takes too much cache data. In most cases can have sometimes 150 MBs or 200. Yeah, so you just clear the cache. Google Play services, clear the cache. WhatsApp, clear the cache. Others are just basically in KBs. That's not really a big difference, so don't waste your time on other apps. Just clear out the ones of Chrome, probably Telegram, yeah, WhatsApp, Google Play services, yeah, the big apps only. Games, don't need to worry about that. I don't think it has that much cache data. So yeah, another thing that takes space is files. Files, you just tap get more space, and right here there's unnecessary files. Before there were like too many, but I deleted some, so you just delete. Sometimes there's duplicate files, sometimes there is unused files, sometimes they're unnecessary files. So yeah, just delete those, but I already deleted them, so yeah, no need to worry. Another thing that helps is optimizing your device. So yeah, just optimize it, yeah, and to clear out some space. So yeah, we're done. So yeah, another thing that will help you out is deleting the YouTube videos that you downloaded. So yeah, just delete those which you don't need, yeah, to create a difference in your space, a very big one. Yeah, so yeah, that's it. Go ahead and like the video, and please subscribe. You'll lose nothing if you subscribe. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in another video and you'll see me. Thanks for watching.